Had extreme off-road performance again. Thank y'all. Go inside the showroom and check.
Yo, what's happening, Money Gang? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Baktuthamoney, man. Y'all know, back with another banger for y'all. Banger. But no, man, make sure y'all hitting that like button. Make sure y'all hitting that subscribe button. Also, man, make sure y'all turn on your post notification bells all the time. Because you know, if you do turn on your post notification bells, you get it in the mail. But besides all that, man, y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, man, we at a Houston Whipz meet. They're having their meet tonight at Extreme Off-Road Performance. If y'all don't know about Extreme Off-Road Performance, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all probably follow Life of Corey. That's where he get all his cars done at and everything. But that's what we about to go pull up to this meet, and we about to see what happened. But besides all that, man, let's go ahead and roll this intro, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Baktuthamoney. We out. What's up, gang? Y'all know what it is, man. You know, just made it to the Carmeets. Had to come up in the front because they got music playing and got more cars pulling up to the meet. As y'all can see right now, it's like it's about to get ready to get packed. We at this Extreme Off-Road Performance up here, hosted by the Houston Whipz. Shout out to them. And also, you know, they got the police in full effect right there. But hey, I'm going ahead and tell y'all right now, man, you missing it. You know what I'm saying? Friday night is going down. Baktuthamoney out here back at these Carmeets. But I'm about to get ready to go put some music on because I'm about to get ready to get back up here because they do have music on. And y'all already know, man, we do not need no copyright with that. So no copyright, but make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, man, turn on your post notification bells. But other than that, man, we about to get ready to go dive into this, man, and see what Houston Whipz got up here, man. Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Baktuthamoney. We out. So, gang, now I can come in there right now because they not playing no music, man. I hope y'all enjoying all the content that your boys bringing, man. If you ain't hit that like button, if you ain't hit the subscribe button, man, go ahead and do, man. So y'all already know, man, your boy about to get ready to get y'all this good money footage. But y'all already know what it is, man. It's your boy Back to the Money. Until I turn this camera back on, man. Hope, like I said, hope y'all enjoying the footage and everything. And like I say, they got music playing, so I can't just be out here like this. They trying to copyright me, and I can't do that, man. But y'all know what it is. Out of here. This is dope right here. God, we're inside Extreme Off-Road Performance, and let me tell you, man, they got some dope ass stuff in here. Yes, sir. See, now they got to keep the door closed because, you know what I'm saying, once the door open, all the copyright just coming out all up in here, so, you know what I'm saying. And make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video. Like I'm saying, man, this is where life of Corey get his car worked on and stuff like that. Like, this is like super dope. I'm gonna be there one day. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna lie, man. This meeting got deep quick, like super deep, man. Hey, gang, y'all let me know what y'all think about that B-roll footage, man. Hey, I'm back on this money footage now, gang. Hey, like I say, man, I need to start getting back hitting these Carmeets because, you know, I was avoiding the Carmeets for a little bit because I feel like the car scene is dying, like I be telling y'all. But shout out to Houston Whipz for this, man. This is a nice one. It's well put together, and they be saying no revenue here, but like I'm saying, it was well put together. Y'all know the police is enforced out here, so there's none of that crazy stuff going on out here. But other than that, though, gang, man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. And we about to get ready to get back out here and look at some more cars. Like I'm telling y'all, man, they have the DJ on and like copyright, so I can't be up there. So like I said, I'm gonna put some music on. I'm gonna look at some more of these cars, man. Other than that, no. Other than that, though, man, y'all know what it is, man. Should go back to the money.
Extreme Off-Road Performance. The showroom is open. They got some of the one-of-a-kind vehicles inside. They have a lot of 4G auto rims. They have a lot of different stuff in their release here at Extreme Off-Road Performance. Again, thank y'all. Go inside the showroom and check it out. Let's go.
check this out, gang. Check out the parking lot. The parking lot is super deep, man. They got cars blocking off each other, man. And a bunch of ponies, you know what I'm saying? Got a Maro right here. Got you a 350Z, man. Got you another Mustang over there. But yeah, gang, they all parked up in the corner over here. Hey gang, I forgot to show y'all, man. Before we get up out of here, hey, y'all see the new Decepticon? This is gonna be the shirt that I'll be printing out, and also you will have the MG right here on the side. Let me go ahead and give y'all a little drip check. Y'all see the drip check? Drip check. Y'all see you got the Prestos on. Yeah, you know, got to be matching. You know, got the orange MG. They got the Decepticon on the front. These shirts will be going for $20. So y'all drop a comment down below, man. Y'all let me know, man. Like I say, got the Decepticon. Wanted to show y'all. Y'all see the drip check? That's a drip check. Drip, drip, drip. That's how y'all say it. Drip check. Okay. But other than that, though, gang, man, make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video, and everything. You know what I'm saying, that your boy had put out. Man, if you watch this video, man, I want to say you made it to the end. I want to say I appreciate it. I really thank you for taking the time out and watching this full video. Let's keep running this time up, man. And also, y'all drop a comment down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the dealership. I exposed the dealership. Let me know about that, man. Y'all drop a comment down below. But other than that, though, gang, man, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, to the video. And y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy, Back to the Money, man. We out of here.